Religious terrorism is, in fact, by no means an excessive term to apply to a society which provided no alternative educational arrangements for the children of the poor, at least until the Lancastrian charity school movement, in which the notion of moral rescue was modified by genuine educational intentions and by the utilitarian concern for equipping children for industrial occupations. Those writers today who rightly expose the human depreciation resulting from the commercial abuse of the media of communication seem to me to have matters out of proportion when they overlook the extent and character of mass indoctrination in earlier periods. But, and here we come to our second reason, we should beware of giving too bleak and too unqualified a picture of the evangelical churches from the evidence of Sunday school primers or from the dogmas of such men as Bunting. What the Orthodox Methodist minister intended is one thing. What actually happened in many communities may be another. The old Armenian Methodists had a more humane attitude to Sunday school teaching. The Methodists of the New Connection were always more intellectual in their approach than those of the Wesleyan Orthodoxy. We have noted that James Montgomery of the Sheffield Iris led the fight among the Sheffield nonconformists to retain the teaching of writing in the Sunday school syllabus. The lay teachers who volunteered their services were less likely to be doctrinaire, and there was a continuous tension which could at times produce unlikely results. Even our Sunday schools, a Bolton minister wrote to the Duke of Portland in 1798, may become in some instances the seminaries of faction. We have discovered one, if not two, who have taken the oaths of United Englishmen, who are acting in the capacity of as schoolmasters gratis. The quiet fortresses of the Stockport Sunday schools, which Dr. Ure so commended in the 1830s, nevertheless had been besieged with a vengeance, and to some degree actually displaced between 1817 and 1820.